This is Christian's, where's your car, bro?
2013.
2013. I haven't driven an FRS in a couple days.
And you stalled it out.
Sweet. Gotta love that ACT light flywheel.
Did you roll it all the way down?
This is his fancy ass shift knob here. Doesn't even go straight, dude.
It's fine. Remember? Clutch, a little bit different. Little over, little over. Wait.
Dude.
There you go.
What?
Yeah, because remember when I put the clutch on, the boot was backward, it was like off a little bit.
I don't want to be in reverse.
Now you're in reverse.
Wait. The lock is all fucked up. Dude, we're gonna have to start recording over. This is some fucked up shit here you got going on.
No, it's because that shit's still on.
This isn't safe. It wasn't going in first gear like it should.
That was reverse.
People are honking at us now, dude.
Because this shit's still... Is that first or reverse?
That went first.
That's first.
Now we have to retake.
Stop or what?
Just turn it off, yeah, for a second.
Press the record button?
Yeah, but see, now it goes in gear, bro.
I don't know, it must have been the way I had this shift knob.
Oh, wait, no, it doesn't.
There you go.
Hokey ass shit.
Do you want me to press something else?
No, we're good. You go in kilometers there?
Yeah. You know your traction control's turned on. You want it that way.
On or off?
It's off, isn't it? Or it's on right now. Third gear.
Yeah, dude, this is bad.
It's the boot that's on it that's wrong.
Alright, you can stop it.
Oh.
And we can do another one, yeah.
Press.
We got some funny ass shit in the beginning. Hit it again. Wait.